Bonjour y'all. Thank you for all your submissions of my first Chibi Idols tutorial. Today's video gonna be a part 2. We will continue learning how to draw stylized chibis, but this time I offer bodies. Many people already asked for it, so it would be cool to work on it today. Even though I suck at bodies and anatomy in general. Well, before that, I want to say again, thanks to all people who joined. To all people who sent me their video applies for Demo Creator. The winner of the giveaway was Nari. I loved how she used Demo Creator features and tools. Same for other entries as well. It was really cool. Thank you all for joining. I'll put the channel's links of people who joined with speed paints on my description. Supporting people is free. Support people. You'll find who supports you as well. For supporting more people, I've made a second contest. It's pretty much the same thing. You can either join with a normal entry of you applying the tutorial, or you can join with a speed paint, but using Demo Creator specially. You can put anything on your speed paint, like the other entries, green screens, titles, text captions, and transitions. And of course, for a short video to people who get bored easily, you will have to use the speed option and control it. Videos from 2 minutes to 15 minutes are cool. Demo Creator will help you start your own channel, especially for art, gaming, or tutorial channels, or anything that would require recording your PC screen in a high quality. Also, new updates are coming soon, so don't hesitate to stay updated with Demo Creator. You guys are the true supporters. Wondershall, we're so thankful for your support last time. I hope new subscribers would join us this time too. This time's prize is a half body drawing for your OC, or any character or idol you want. But it is required this time to send me your entries to my Discord server on Chibi Art channel. All links are on descriptions. Again, reading descriptions is free. I don't know why people are scared of reading them. For now, let's get into the tutorial. The best thing to start your art with is adjusting and thinking about your compositions. Not only chibi art, but art in general, even on architecture and other fields, will require good compositions. Anyways, today I'm going to show you these 3 types: the short chibi with 2 heads body, taller chibi with 3 heads, and the tallest I can do with 3.5 heads. These heads compositions will help you a lot while drawing your chibis. Normally the shortest one is mostly common, since it's cuter and looks tiny and stuff. I've already made a head tutorial before. You can check it out by clicking on the card above. To be honest, for me, I use circles while drawing and planing for the body. For more fluid lines and clear anatomy, try to simplify as much as possible and to make the main point, which is the chest, like a potato for the shortest chibi, pear for the middle chibi, and an hourglass for the longest chibi. Things will be clearer at the end of this part, cause I kinda summarize every part. This part is basically focused on how to build the body, how the compositions help, and how simple shapes are helpful to give you an idea of a fluid body. If you started with a potato, you start the legs from the potato itself. Same for other shapes you're going to start with. As you see, I make everything as circles, which helps me make a kind of fluid body. Then later you link between them. Just imagine you're drawing a doll, that type of dolls that have every joint isolated. When linking them, of course, you pay attention to anatomy and other stuff, if it's logical or not as chibi. Later we will enter to details, and I will make a simple hair tutorial. It's coming really soon, so stay tuned. Here are the shapes I used for every chibi: a potato, pear, hourglass, and you start the legs from them and not under them. Just imagine you're going to stick your doll's legs on the bottom sides of a potato. And of course there are many other body types that you should know about, and you should present them and practice them. Now I'm giving examples of how you can control the potatoes. To have a fluid pose, the potato can lead you to a specific perspective. But of course, you need to have an idea already of what the heck you're doing. The potato is just guiding you besides the fluid lines as well. Here we start the legs, as I said, from the potato itself. Later, with circles guides to build the anatomy of a chibi, you can link them with a second sketch layer. And of course, this is not black magic. You have to try it again and again until you get it right. Never give up from the first tries and say I suck. Or maybe you're going to say, this tutorial sucks, LOL. However, you can maybe practice in your own way, cause this is not the only way to draw chibis. This is my way, and I made this tutorial for people who would like these tricks, and maybe it's going to help them to make better stuff. So good luck everyone. Here I summarize what I've said earlier. 1. Simplify shapes. As I showed, my fav one is the potato shape, then later you can use anything. For some types you can use a V shape, as a triangle, and other shapes that would suit your character. 2. Build the body by using the circles for anatomy, and of course, don't forget compositions. They are helpful, and of course, you can use every type of compositions for your chibi. And last but not least, you link them with a kind of sketchy line art. And here is an example of how it works, even when it's just circles separated. And by the way, this is the true God Lord hands. Other human hands are fake. We only stand round hands. Your hands are fake. Only round hands are true. Talking about that, let's learn how to draw the fake hands. That I don't even know how to draw them. I don't know even why I'm making tutorials at this point. If I know nothing, you better have children hands as references for your chibis, or any chubby cute hands as references, and try to make them as tiny as possible to suit the concept of a chibi. But always remember that the true God hands are the round hands. Others are fake. In this house we only stand round hands. Anyways, here is the speed paint of me applying all the stuff I mentioned to draw this random character. So I'll leave you for now. Well, the voice will leave. Talking about the voice, I guess I'll reveal my voice soon. I don't know. I'm terrible at English, especially while speaking. Well, I'm bad at speaking in general, even in my native language, but I was thinking of shooting my shot maybe, and practicing from now maybe. Anyways, enjoy, and focus on the Chibis Body speed paint. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much guys. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. You've made it to the end of the video. Congratulations. I'll make sure to make more tutorials in the future for hair and rendering and other stuff. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to join my second contest. Make a speed paint using demo creator and send it to Chibi Art channel on Discord. If you don't want to make a speed paint, you can still make an apply of the tutorial and send it there so as to maybe put it on my next video. But the winner will be one of the speed paint entries using demo creator. I'll later keep making contests like these with better prizes, and maybe I'll give away my merch someday. But if sales are good, cause sales are still not growing much for now, but I won't give up. I'd still try to make better content and to realize my dreams, and also to help people here and inspire young people. You guys are the best. Have a nice day and stay safe. Wear your masks and be careful. Bye bye.